You can get a pretty website just about anywhere, but beauty is only skin deep. At Eye Candy Media, not only will we design you an amazing looking website, but we also guarantee that it will attract new customers. It's tough running a business. It's even harder to run a successful business. The difference between making a lot of money and failure very often comes down to one essential aspect: great marketing. Bottom line, without an intuitive and engaging custom-designed website that ranks highly in search engines and is optimized for mobile phones, your business practically doesn't exist. Without a strong social media presence to engage your market, you have little hope of attracting the millions of potential worldwide customers who are probably, as we speak, spending their money at your competitor's side. Perhaps you already have a website, but is it working for you? Is it at the top of Google when people search for your products and services? Is it generating social chatter? Is it generating leads? Is it making you money? And do you even have the time to manage it properly and constantly update its content? Whether you're creating an exciting new brand or amplifying your current online presence, you need the experts to help you make real connections with your customers to achieve record revenues. And that's what we do. At Eye Candy Media, we evolve dynamically at the leading edge of web design in order to provide you with powerful, custom-designed web platforms that are search engine optimized, mobile-friendly, and simple for you to manage. We'll leverage various social media tools such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and others to create and manage a powerful online presence essential to broadcasting your message to the world. We'll even optimize your website copy and custom design your very own landing page video to ensure that you're doing everything possible to generate more online hits, engage your customers, get the online world abuzz with your brand, generate loads of leads, and make you more money. And best of all, we can even maintain and manage it for you, leaving you to focus exclusively on running and growing your business. Hit the Request a Quote button at the top of this page now and let us deliver an incredible, professional-looking, high-ranking website along with a powerful social media presence to match it. We are so confident in our expertise that we guarantee that your website gets top page search results. No contracts, no minimum terms. Ask about our SEO guarantee and how we have helped hundreds of businesses get to the top of Google. You simply won't find a better deal anywhere else. Get a free quote today and start generating more sales than you ever imagined possible.